Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to join Hamster Kombat channel. To join a Hamster Kombat channel, you can follow the steps till the end. The first thing you need to do is to get and open up an invitation link. You can obtain an invite link to the Hamster Kombat Discord server, Twitch, or any other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or Reddit. You can also be able to get an invitation link from one of your friends within the Telegram application as well. Simply open up the link that you received and click on the link and open up Hamster Kombat bot. Soon after you do that, follow through the instructions and you will be able to join into a Hamster Kombat channel. Once you join in and open up the link, you and your friends both will be able to receive rewards. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.